Hi, welcome to the news network of Tell Me More Math. This week we have a special segment of Tell Me More Math and Careers. Yesterday we got a special email from Peyton Medlock wondering what speech pathology was and how math is involved with it. So we have Emily out in Mooresville at the Pediatric Advanced Therapy, and she's going to tell you more about it. Hi, yes, this is Emily out in Mooresville, North Carolina at the Pediatric Advanced Therapy. We talked to Jocelyn Davis, and she is the Pediatric Advanced Therapy Speech Director, and we wanted to ask her about her career and how it is involved in math. Let's go to her right now.
I did more statistics and probability because psychology is more research-based, and that was more appropriate for what I was doing.
I'll ask this one later. What are your daily duties here?
Well, right now, I'm serving as clinical director while she's out on maternity leave.
Okay.
But it'll be somewhat similar when I am just the speech therapy director. So I guess coordination of schedule between the different therapists, training new therapists, making sure they get the mentorship that they need for new disorders or diagnoses. Our clinic is a sensory integration based clinic. So my mission is to help speech therapists get out of the therapy room and into a gym and learn to integrate their therapy activities into like sensory motor activities and to meet the kid where they are based on their sensory motor needs rather than just sitting at a tabletop for therapy. So I want to integrate therapy and do more of a whole child approach.
Okay.
That's not, I mean, I do scheduling, I'm working with parents to do education.
Okay.
I mean, there are so many things that I do in a day, but that's kind of my mission when I become speech.
Yes, we did get information from Miss Davis, and it was great hearing about her job about speech pathology. This is Emily out in reporting. Back to you in the studio. We then talked to Dr. Medlock, who works at App State, and he talked about the college courses and high school courses to prepare you. So I teach at Appalachian State University, other great programs at UNCG or Western Carolina. So let's get to the courses you can take in high school to prepare yourself for the speech pathology major. There can be AP statistics if you're ready for that challenge, to look at graphs and other things like that, mean, median, all that. Psychology, if it's not offered at your school, you can take it for a science course online. Pre-cal, great program. And also biology. Now, for college, you're going to take a bunch of courses. So here are the main ones you want to take, other than just intro to communication sciences disorders. You have to take Math 115, or which is also called Math Calculus, or also an alternative if you don't want to take that. Some colleges may offer this is Math 113, which is algebra/trig. The math science courses you may take, other than the other ones that I mentioned earlier, is Intro to Language Science/Anatomy or Physiology. Statistics in college if you didn't take it in high school, and sociology, like I said. So later on, I'm going to show you a sample problem that we got from Jocelyn Davis from Pediatric Advanced Therapy and show you how to connect it to speech pathology. All right, thank you for that, Professor Medlock from App State again. Now, if you're still watching, the other places... if you're looking for a place to work after you get the speech pathology degree, could be the Child and Family Development of Charlotte, Carolina Speech and Feeding Center, and also the Crossway Pediatric Therapy. Now, you're probably wondering why we didn't mention this earlier. What is speech pathology if you don't know? So excuse me for not telling you. Speech pathology, of course, is another name for communication sciences and disorders. This career or degree is the study of speech and language problems. They assess social and cognitive communication as well as swallowing disorders. And this is vital to our city more than or also the whole country, because what if you had a problem with stuttering or forming words in your head? These people could help you with that. It could make you comfortable with speaking to other people in the future. So now we're going to go back to Professor Medlock and get that sample problem for you. And later on, I'll tell you about some scholarships for those of you who are interested in this degree.
Alright, so with this math problem, we're going to find out about standard deviation and how to calculate that. Because that's what a lot of speech pathologists do when they're knowing how to rank the kids and find out what their disorder is with their speech or communication. So first we're going to find the mean, 5, 4, 6, 7, and 8, and add them all together and divide them by 6 because that's the number of things they have. And then we subtract it by each number in the line. And then once we find the difference, we square each difference. And over here, 14000014. And then we add all those numbers together and we find out the mean. So over here, we found out that mean. And after we find out that mean, we square root it. And then we get your standard deviation, which is 1.909. And that will tell you like how you can find the certain mean of a specific group as a whole. And that's the math that a lot of speech pathologists do.
All right, thank you, Professor Medlock, for that. Now we have a caller coming through. Haley, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, what's your question? Well, I'm interested in the speech pathology degree, but I don't know any scholarships. Can you please talk about those? Well, yes, great question. So, our people are looking at those now, so let's see. All right, so some of them are CVS Pharmacy Incorporated Pharmacy Scholarship. That's $5,000 for communication and science disorders. Some of these are graduate degrees, which is the Dr. Benjamin Memorial Scholarship, which is $5,000, and the Albert Strickler Memorial Fund Loan for $5,000. All right, so looking at this chart here, this is what other speech pathologists / speech therapists look at to get a range of what their patients are kind of going through, like tests with recall sentences, developing words and vocab in their minds. So with the standard deviation with the earlier problem with Dr. / Professor Medlock, he showed you that with the standard deviation mean, most people look at those to determine a problem with their patients. Thank you for watching the Tell Me More Math new segment, or tmcubed.com. This was the Math Careers segment. Have a nice day, and don't forget to check on our website. Tune in tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Thank you.